rabbit. It's a rabbit. Today we learn about rabbit. A rabbit is a little furry animal with long ears and short tail. The rabbit usually stays on the ground during the day and hops out at night to find food. It digs a burrow to live. Many burrows together are called a warren. Rabbits are commonly kept as pets. They eat vegetables, especially carrots and greens. Baby rabbits are helpless at birth. Most kinds of rabbit produce a large number of young in the course of a year. Rabbits are like hares, except that they are bone blind and without fur. It's a dog. It's a dog. Today we learned about dog. A dog is a four-legged animal usually kept as a pet. It is a carnivorous animal and typically has a long muzzle, large canine teeth, fur coat, pointed ears, and fully covered tail. Dogs are very intelligent animals. That's why humans use them to guard their houses. Dogs have good hearing ability and an acute sense of smell. A female dog is called a bitch. A young dog is called a puppy. Now you have to tell me, name the animal that barks. Which pet guards our houses? Name the young ones of dog. It is chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Today we learn about chimpanzee. Chimpanzees live in the jungles and grasslands of Africa. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent animals. They eat mainly fruits, young leaves, seeds, and flowers. But they also take honey, eggs, caterpillars, birds, and anything else they can get their hands on. Chimpanzees spend much of their time on the ground. They climb into trees to sleep after dark. Each night they build a new leafy nest in branches about 30 feet above the ground. Like human beings, chimpanzees can alter the shape of their faces to smile or to look angry, frightened, or worried. They often hold hands of each other when they are together. So now you have to tell me that where do chimps live? Are chimpanzees highly intelligent animals? What do chimpanzees eat? It is crocodile. Today we learned about crocodile are water-living hunting reptiles. They belong to an ancient group of animals which has changed little since the days of the dinosaurs. Crocodile live in hot countries. Crocodile's jaws are set with sharp pointed teeth. A female crocodile makes a nest of mud and plant debris near the water's edge. Here she lays eggs and stay until they are ready to hatch. When the babies hatch out of eggs, a crocodile mom gently carries them in her mouth from their sandy nest to their river where they will live. Now I will ask some questions. Are crocodile reptiles? Where do crocodiles live? And where does a female crocodile lay eggs? Tell me first. It's a horse. Horse. Let's learn about horse. A horse is a large, four-legged animal with a mane, tail, hooves, and a longish head. It has two complete sets of teeth. It uses its front teeth to do the grabbing and tearing and uses the back teeth to do the chewing. Most male horses have 40 teeth and the female 36. A horse is a herbivore and eat only plants, especially grass. A horse eats 3 times a day because it has a small stomach for the size of its body. The baby horse is called a foal. Some people keep horse to ride or to pull carts. When the horses are not in the fields or in a fenced yard, they live in a stable. Now you have to tell me, how does a horse graze? What does a horse eat? Which animal can give you a ride? Do you enjoy it? It's a bear. It's a bear. Now we will learn about bears. The brown bear is the largest flesh-eating land animal. Its main food is fish, although it eats berries and grass. Only the polar bear, which hunts seals, has a diet consisting chiefly of meat. There are 7 different kinds of bears. Bears do not have good eyesight, but they do have a keen sense of smell. Bears are large and powerful animals, but they can run very fast for short distances. They use long, sharp claws to climb trees. Like human beings, bears can stand upright, but normally they walk on all fours. Bears generally live alone. Now you have to tell me that. How many kinds of bear are there? Are bears large and powerful animals? How is it possible for a bear to climb trees? It's a hippopotamus. Today we learned about hippopotamus, a very large, thick-skinned water animal that lives in Africa. The hippo often sits in a river with only its eyes and snout showing. It wallows in mud and water to keep cool and to stay out of reach of pest insects. There are 2 kinds of hippos, the common and the pygmy hippopotamus. Common hippopotamus weighs as much as 10 pygmy hippos. The eyes, ears, and nose of a hippo are on the top of its head. Hippos spend most of the day sleeping and resting in the lakes and rivers. A hippo may eat as much as 100 pounds of grass and other plants in a day. Now you have to tell me that. Where does a hippo live? How many kinds of hippos are there? How do hippos spend their day?